Hey, what's good, y'all? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm back with a new video. So as you guys already know, Tira Kamura-zaman just came out with a new makeup line which is called Beautyra. She only came out with one product, which is blusher, which has 3 different colors, which is mermaid, flamenco, and feline. And it's great to see that someone came out with something new instead of, you know, liquid lipstick. I mean, there's too many liquid lipstick out there in our industry, no shade, but I think all of them is pretty much the same. Am I right? So it's a smart move that she came out with blusher. And of course, I have to get my hands on one of those beautiful blusher. So here's mine. Actually, I received this few weeks ago, but I purposely don't want to open it yet, just for the sake of this video, so that you guys can see my first impression unboxing video for Beautyra blusher. Since you guys are already here, might as well just hit the subscribe button and like this video and comments on the comment box below. And without any further ado, let's get to it. It's time to reveal what's inside. I actually really cannot wait to see how the blusher looks like in real life. You guys. Yes, good. Double protection. Oh my god. Ooh. So this is how the box looks like. See? Born to Blush, Beautyra, and it has all the ingredients behind. Can you guys see it? Wow, very cute. Cute. It has like plastic protection thingy, okay? And then this is how, oh, it came out with a mirror. I'ma close that. And this is how the color looks like inside. It has a smell, but it's not that strong smell. I don't know what smells it. But it smells good. To see whether it has any kickback. Okay, just a few. Good. And I think I swear too much on my brush, so I'm gonna tap the excess. Let's put it on our cheeks. See, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, I really like the color. Okay, maybe I'll apply this part too much. It's actually very pigmented. Cute. So in the video she posted, she kind of like put the blusher here and also on her nose. So I'm gonna do that as well. Just a little bit there. Doesn't make any difference, I don't know, but so you have to smile when you put on your blusher, okay? I have light to medium skin tone, and I think this color suits me very well. I really love this. Tira, you did well. You did very good job. You did a very good job. Oh my god, I'm impressed. Okay, maybe the ring light is too much, so I'm gonna reduce the light so that you can see how the color looks like. This is how it looks like when I turn off my ring lights, and yeah, it's there. See? So this is how it looks like when I turn on my ring light, just a little bit. So yeah, there you go guys, that completes this video. So my personal thoughts about this blusher is, this is really good blusher and it's very cheap. It retail for only 45 ringgit if I'm not mistaken, and you can buy it in bundle, 3 different colors, and I'm not sure the price, but I'm gonna put that somewhere here, I don't know. The color is super stunning and it suits every makeup look. See, it's not like bronzy. I just don't know how to explain the color, but yes. See, look at that. So I'll give this blusher a 10 out of 10 because I super duper like it. A plus. This blusher, A plus. I don't care what you guys gonna say, but I'ma say this is a good damn blusher. So congrats Tira for the blusher, and you did a very good job. Thumbs up for that. And I hope you come up with new products after this. Hopefully hair products soon. So there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment on the comment box below and subscribe. So I'll see you guys soon after this. Bye.